feeling better than ever. Hey you guys, it's your girl Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, stop. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're not new here and you've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of my videos, like, why don't you just go ahead and subscribe already? I know you want to. I know you want to. You keep coming back to my channel. You keep watching my videos. I know you want to subscribe. You know where the subscribe button is, so just hit that pause button and go ahead and hit subscribe. Hey you guys, I hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty good. It feels good to be back in this setting, have a little bit of makeup on, have my hair done, you know. Today's video is actually going to be a lot of fun because I've got a new unboxing to do for you guys. Today we're going to be checking out this YESStyle mystery bag. This is the summer vacay bag. So if you're not familiar with YESStyle, YESStyle is a KBeauty website. So it's KBeauty stands for Korean beauty. It's just short for Korean beauty. And Korean beauty is mostly known for their skincare. They're known for using a lot of natural ingredients in their skincare. But I actually opted to get some summer fashion items instead. So we are going to be opening up this mystery bag together and seeing what's inside. I'm really excited because I haven't seen yet. I wanted to be surprised with you guys. So all of these fashion items are available on their website, which I'm going to link in the description box below. And you can save a little bit of coin if you use my code MSSOELLEGANT. Okay, so we've got quite a few things in this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. And all of them are like clothing and accessory items. So the first thing we're going to open is this blue, it looks like a chiffon, like hair tie. Okay, pretty cute. Yeah, my hand has been hurting me, so sorry, I got a little wrap on it. Cute, I like that. Goes with my eyes. Big Daddy says my eyes are gray. They're not gray, they're blue. Comment below, what color do you think my eyes are? I think I've tried to get that poll going on this channel before, but pretty sure they're blue. So the next thing, let's see, what is this? This says, oh, it's a headband, a knotted headband. Let's check it out. Got some hair accessories. Oh, okay. I can see that. I can see that. Cute. Cute. Okay. Okay. I wasn't about to be messing up my freshly did hair, but okay. I feel so cute today. I like my hair. Comment below. Did you like me better brown or blonde? Like, I just feel so much better brown though. If you haven't seen my hair video, I'm going to link it somewhere right here. Make sure you go check out that video. The next thing we got, look, and it matches the dress that I'm wearing. I got some pink socks. It looks like they are they knee-high socks? They might be. Might be like knee-high socks. But they got a cute little peach on them. If you know me, you know it's perfect for me. Got some stuff floating around in there. Oh, those are cute. I love it, and it goes with my dress. Okay, so the next thing we got are some sunglasses. I actually really like these sunglasses. I told Big Daddy that's what I was going to start doing for my videos because this ring light just be so bright, y'all don't even know. So I was like, I'm going to start wearing sunglasses in my videos. I've seen people do that. Hey, got me feeling like John Lennon. I like these. They might be a little big for my face, but they're so cute. Yes, I'm loving it. Okay, so the next thing we got is another hair item. Oh, this is cute too. Look, it matches my dress. What? It's fate. Okay, got a cute little hairpin going on. That's cute. I just feel so cute. Okay, try it on this side. That's cute. That's really cute. I love it. Okay, come through. So just in case you didn't know, I know that I said KBeauty stands for Korean beauty, but Korean beauty specifically means like beauty and fashion products that are originating or manufactured in Korea. Sorry, my thing, it came off. And I'm gonna do a tattoo tour because I got some new tattoos. I don't know if you guys noticed, but yes, that did happen. Okay, so the next thing we got are some jewelry items. If I can figure out how to open it. Okay, there we go. Maybe. Zam! Alright. Why are these so cute? So next we got these cute little earrings. I would totally rock these. Those are really cute. Totally me, because I'm so retro. I'm going to put these back in the bag with their little backings until I can put them up. Okay. Next thing we got is a necklace. Oh, a snakelet necklace. If you guys have seen some of my Fashion Nova hauls or one of my Fashion Nova hauls, you know I got a bunch of snake stuff, so that could go good. Like, oh my god, why is all this stuff like matching? Oh, that's cute. I really like that. Oh, my hand thing came off again. Okay, moving on. Ooh, next we got a ring set. That's cute. And then I want to show you the hairpin again. Like, the hairpin was like marbled. Isn't that cute? Oh, so cute. Love it. Okay, what we got going on next? Ooh, these are cute. Okay, so I gotta take these out to show you. Oh, those are too cute. So they're earrings. Little dangled earrings. Oh, so cute. Let's try them. Wait, how do I get them open? Uh-oh, I'm puzzled, y'all. Why does this always happen to me? Okay, y'all. Well, I can't figure out how to get them open, but they are so cute. Oh, I'm totally down for these. These are so cute. Everything that I've gotten in here is so cute. So we're on to the last thing, which is a white bucket hat, which I really like because I have a black one, but not a white one. Now I got a white one. Yes, I just love everything that I got in this bag. So cute. Okay. Yes, look, okay. I'm just so excited because everything in here was so cute. I especially like these socks that match my dress. Like, that's really cute. Oh, yes. So, everything that we opened today in this box or bag, box, unboxing bag, it is all available on the website. I am going to leave a link in the description box below. And again, if you want to save some coin on your order, then you can just use my code MSSOELLEGANT at checkout. It's that simple. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy with all my new stuff. It was so cute. If you guys like this video, if you like me, if you like unboxings, if you like fashion and jewelry and accessories like any girl should, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you want to interact with me more, you can follow me on Instagram at MSSOELLEGANT. I post a lot in my Instagram stories, so you can interact with me that way. But I guess until then, that's really all I have for you guys today. So until next time, I'll see you guys. Love ya. Later.